Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful dried encapsulated flowers nail design using Revel nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Opulent and Day of Revel number 7, some dried flowers that I purchased from Amazon, Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, some iridescent glitter, and activator. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. This was my first time using these clear tips and they weren't fitting well. I purchased it at my local beauty supply store. They weren't fitting sidewalls to sidewalls, and the bigger sizes were too big. So I just stayed with a smaller size and hoped it didn't pop off, and luckily it didn't. So I'm applying one layer of clear dip powder today. Just to protect my natural nails, I'm using clear dipping powder for this step. Usually I use clear acrylic powder, but today I'm using clear dip powder because I wanted my nails to be crystal clear, or as clear as dip powder could get. I have never used this clear dip powder before. Usually I just pour out some into another container and use from there, but this dip powder isn't contaminated. And right now you see me applying some activator to the nails that are going to have the encapsulated dry flowers. The nails weren't crystal clear, but they were really clear. I was surprised at how clear it was when I used that method. I was very pleased with how this nail design came out. And I'd like to thank Jenny from Jenny's Sewing Room for giving me that idea. You saved my money, girl. You are the real MVP. Thank you for saving my clear nails. Okay, so here's how it's going to go, right? So for the clear nails and the clear nails only, if you want your nails to be clear, all you have to do is apply your base and then you dip into your clear dip powder. You brush off the excess and then you place some activator on your nails. Then you wait a while, because if base gets into contact with activator, your base brush will harden on you. So you wait a while and then you apply your base, dip again, and then apply the activator. And you do this until you build up your nails. And I only did that for the clear nails because I wanted them to be as clear as possible, and they were very clear. I was so surprised. I added some iridescent butterflies and iridescent flakes to the nail as well. So yeah, that's what you were seeing me using. Then I encapsulated the nails one time. So I applied the base and then I sprinkled the clear dip powder onto my nails, and then I placed some activator, wait a while, and then more base and sprinkle the clear dip powder, and so on until the nails had a proper apex. I only placed activator in between dips on the nails that I wanted to be clear. The rest of the nails, I did them as usual. Also, I wouldn't suggest doing the activator method to place the flowers and the glitter on the clear nails. If the nails had a colored background, I would do the activator method, but for clear nails, it will turn the nail yellow after a while. And if anyone doesn't know what the activator method is, keep watching and you'll see. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So on the middle finger, I'm using Revel Nail Day of Revel number 7. I did 2 layers of that. I didn't go straight to the cuticle because it didn't make sense, seeing that I was using the glitter to do the ombre nail. So now I'm just using my acrylic brush and I place it into the activator and then into the glitter dip powder and place it on my nails to do the ombre glitter nails. And this is the activator method right here. So I realized I really need some new colors. The more I buy, the more I want more new colors. It's crazy. I'm already planning to buy some more dip powders. So let me know of some good dip powder brands that I should try. By the way, I'm using my non-dominant hand to do this, so it's a bit awkward and that's why it's looking kind of messy. Then onto the ring finger, I do another flower encapsulation. So I'll let you guys take a look at it and I'll be back when there's something important to see. Now onto the thumb, I just felt like experimenting, so I did some kind of weird design. I don't really know what the hell I did, but it looked okay, so. Now I encapsulated the nails. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 1, and I only encapsulated the ombre nails and the thumbnail. Then I applied activator to the nails, waited a while, and then I began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. And now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat. And I chose gel top coat. Now if I wanted to choose the powder top coat, I would apply some activator, wait a while, apply 1 layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and then apply another layer of top coat with slow and nice strokes. However, since I'm using gel polish, I don't have to apply activator. I just go right in with the gel top coat, and then I cured for 60 seconds. So now I apply some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!